In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the model 5, which is Newton's divided difference. The previous problem we have seen under the model 5, which is the interpolations, Newton's forward and backward. So, which is Newton's forward and backward, where you have a x value, set of x values should be the interval must be equal, okay, where it is coming for unequal cases, right? So, we are going to use for Newton divided difference. So, the divided difference, the difference table from there, it will be changing from the Newton's forward and backward. Okay. So, here we are going to consider here x values also, since because here x values also will have a unequal values. Okay. So, the difference table, the first difference, that means the forward we have seen and backward we have seen, this is for called as a notation as divided difference. So, we will use for divided difference notation as like this. Okay. So, what is that? The difference del y naught is equal to y1 minus y naught by x1 minus x naught. And then del first difference. Okay. So, what is that? The numerator is same what we did in the interpolations in difference formula, which is equal interval. So, y1 minus y naught, but denominator is x1 minus x naught. We are doing the difference of here x terms also. Similar for here second difference, third difference, second value, third value, like that column to be filled it. Okay. And it's coming for second order divided difference. The second order divided difference is defined. The difference of your first order will come in the numerator, right? Del divided difference of y1 minus divided difference of y naught, whole thing divided by the value which is a combination of x0, x1, x2. Okay. So, because of that we have written x2 minus x0. That means third value minus first value. Similar, you can fill for that column for the second difference. It's coming for third divided difference. It's related with your four values. What is that? x1, x0, x1, x2, x3. So, what is it? Your del cube of y naught to be defined. The numerator will be taken from your second order divided difference. It is a del squared y1 minus del squared y naught by, what is that? The last value minus first value. It is nothing but fourth value minus your first value, x4 minus x0. Similar, you can fill your remaining respective divided difference column also. Okay. So, now we will see the formula for divided difference. So, what is it? Newton's divided difference, or sometimes it will be called as an Newton's general interpolation formula. Okay. So, y is equal to f of x, which is equal to y naught plus x minus x naught into divided difference of your y naught plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into divided difference squared of y naught plus etc. Okay. So, here the formula is changing for the divided difference. Okay. So, now you can go for one example problem. Use Newton's divided difference formula. Find f of 4 given that x is 0, 2, 3, 6 and y is equal to f of x, which is y values minus 4, 2, 14, 158. Okay. So, to make a difference table in the divided difference, what you have to do? Write in column wise your x and y value. So, that is the return for the first two columns. It's coming for the first divided difference. How it is as per the formula? The formula is y1 minus y naught. So, 2 minus of minus 4 by x1 minus x naught. So, 2 minus 0. I'll get it as 3. Okay. It's coming for the next one. What is that? I have a term x2 minus, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, I'll get 14 minus 2 by 3 minus 2, which is equal to 12. And the next one, 152 minus 14 by, what is that? 6 minus 3. I'll get the answer, it is 42. So, I have got my first divided difference column 3, 12, 48. Okay. It's coming for next one, next divided difference. What is that? It is a combination of 3 values, right? 0, 2, 3 and next one 2, 3, 6. So, how it is? 12 minus 3 by this value. What is that? 3 minus 0. That is as per the formula x2 minus x naught. Okay. And the next one 48 minus 12 by, what is that? You have what is that value? It's based with 4 values. So, based with 3 value 2, 3, 6. So, 6 minus 2. right? So 6 minus 2, x3 minus x1, right? So I got a second difference values 3 and 9. Now go with your third divided difference column. What is that? 9 minus 3 from here, 9 minus 3 by, what is that? The complete value I am supposed to take, right? 4 values, 0 and 6. So 6 minus 0 will come to the denominator, right? So as per the formula, x3 minus x0, which is equal to, I got answer is 1. So that's all. We have reached only one single value. So you can stop the difference table. Now write a formula. What is that? Y is equal to f of x, which is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into divided difference of y0 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into divided difference squared of y0 plus etc. So all the values which is taken with the divided difference of first value as per the formula. So you are supposed to take the divided difference of y0 is nothing but 3. Divided difference del squared of your y0 is 3 here, and here the del cube of y0 of divided difference is nothing but 1. So now substitute in all the values. What is your y0 as per the table? Y0 values minus 4, right? So and then you can able to get the value. What is that? After calculating, I will get the answer is 40. Okay. So as per the table, as per the calculation, you can go, you can verify the answers of your f of 4. Okay. Because the question is asked that at x is equal to 4. So substitute x is equal to 4 in the formula, and then you can get the answer f of 4 is 40. Right. So we'll go with one more example. Fit an interpolating polynomial. So here the question is different, right? What is that? Fit an interpolating polynomial for the data u10 is 355, u0 is minus 5, u8 is minus 21, u1 is minus 14, u4 is minus 125 using Newton general interpolations, and hence find your u2. So it is in terms of function has been given at what is that? You can write an x also. X at x is equal to 10, u value is or y value is 355. Okay, like that is that. First thing I need to arrange it. Though it is not in the equal value, first I should arrange it from the ascending order, right? So you can write it 0, 1, 4, 8, 10. So arrange a value first. Then you can write it that corresponding y value. What is that? At u0, I'll get minus 5 is given. And 1 is minus 14, 4 is minus 125, 8 is minus 21, and 10 is 355. It is given in the question. So what is the question asked? That we need to fit a polynomial. That means we are going to fit a polynomial equations by using the Newton's divided difference formula. After we are going to find it at x is equal to 2, what is the value of y? Okay. So go with the divided difference table. What is that? Minus 14 plus 5, minus into minus plus 5 by 1 minus 0. So what is that? Minus 9. Similar, we can fill it here first column. And it's coming for second column. What is that? Minus 37 and minus into minus plus 9 by, what is it? It is 3 values, 4 minus 0. So it is minus 7. Similar for next value 9 and 27. And here the what is it? The third divided difference value has been taken. 9 minus of minus is plus 7 by 8 minus 0. 4 values. Okay. So it is 2. And similar next value is 2. This 2 minus 2 it's of 0. So you can skip it for your del power 4. But in the table you are supposed to show that. Now go with the formula. What is that? Substitute in the formula which is required. Y0 I have taken from the table. X minus x0. You are not going to substitute your x value here. You are going to replace only x0, x1, del y0, del square y0 values, because the question is asked to fit a polynomial. So first we need to fit a polynomial. After we are going to replace your x values. Okay. So substitute all the values here. What is that? x0, x1, x2. What is it here? x0. x0 is 0. x1 is 1. x2 is 4. Okay. Then after replace your del y0, del squared y0, del cube y0. Del y0 is first value minus 9, del squared y0 is minus 7, and del cube y0 is 2 for the divided difference. Okay. So substitute all, and you see I have simplified. What is the first one? Minus 5 plus x minus 0 into minus 9 plus x minus 0 into x minus 1 into minus 7 plus x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 4 into 2. Okay, so you can simplify this. It will become minus 9x, and you can multiple. This will become minus 7x square, then plus 7x, and this term you will get plus 2x cube minus 10x square plus 8x. Okay, after simplifying, I can get a polynomial equation. What is that? 2x cube minus 17x square plus 6x minus 5. Okay, so you are not supposed to directly substitute x is equal to 2 here, because the question is asked to fit the polynomial first. After that, we can replace that x is equal to 2 as per the question requirement. Okay, at x is equal to 2, you can replace. You will get u2 value, which is nothing but x places 2 to be replaced here. I'll get minus 45. Okay, so the one more problem to understand more about the divided difference. What is the question? Given log 654 to the base 10, which is 2.8156. Similar, I have given up to, I got it. I have a value from the question as log of 661 is 2.8202. Okay, so find log of 652, log of 656 and 663. The question is asked 3 and using Newton divided difference formula. Okay, so what is that? First you can write it all the values. Here the function is, what is that? Log x to the base of 10, which is equal to y. Okay, this is your function. At x is equal to, what is it? 654, what is your y value? And 658, 659 and 661. You can write the corresponding y value. Then as usual, since we have learned in two problems, no, same way you can find a divided difference column for the first one. So take it from this y0 minus y1 by, what is that? X0, x1 minus x0. So here first one, sorry, what is that? y1 minus y0 by x1 minus x0. The next one I'll get y2 minus y0 by x2 y1 by x2 minus x1. Similar for the third one. Then it's coming here. What is that? You have to take a difference values. Del y1 minus del y0 by x1 minus x2 minus x0. That is what written 659y minus 654. Similar, the last difference also you can calculate. Then you can go for your equations. What is that? Newton divided difference. So there will be two methods there. Since the question is asked for 3 value, if it is okay, we can go ahead to fit a polynomial first, though the question is not asked it. After you can replace, keep on 652, 656 and 663, you can get the values. Otherwise, you can do all the 3 times separately, you can substitute it. Both the way we can approach. The first you can write the formula, then substitute at x is equal to 652. You will get an answer of y is 2.8147. And similar, at x is equal to 656, you can substitute the value. You will get answer is 2.8168. And 663, you can get answer is 2.8218. So all the 3 which is log to the base of 10, we can verify from your calculator also whether we got exact answers, because we will get for already which analytical answer has been defined in your calculator. We can get your log values. Okay, so that's all for your Newton divided difference. Thank you.